Here at Acura Pickering, we have a Drive Shield certified 2019 Honda Accord Touring 2.0T. Here's a quick look at the exterior of the vehicle. Now let's take a look at some of the features inside. This vehicle has memory seat functions for 2 different drivers. It has power windows, mirrors, and locks, with automatic front windows. It has full leather interior with power seating and a sunroof up top. And this vehicle comfortably seats 5 passengers. This vehicle also comes with steering wheel audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls, with adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, plus a heated steering wheel. This vehicle also comes with a built-in navigation system, Bluetooth audio, smartphone connection, AM, FM, and XM radio, USB inputs. It has a rear view camera with 3 different viewing modes. This is the wide, normal, and top-down view. It also has heated and vented seats, dual climate control, a wireless charging pad, and many more great features.